Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have. As you can see, Hammer prepared plenty of languages here, and I will pick English US. Then just click on Get Started. Now you can insert your SIM cards if you want to, but I will skip it for now. You can obviously do it later, and you can also check our tutorial on how to insert SIM card to your Hammer Blade. And now you can also back up some data from your previous phone, but I will set up this one as a new one. Now just connect to your Wi-Fi, give your device a few seconds to locate it. In my case it's this one. Give it a couple of seconds to connect. And now your device will check for some updates. And if you have a Google account, you can log in with it, so I will do it here. So in my case it's HardReset.Info 1 at gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me show you if you will click on the eye icon, you can see what you are entering here, and let me enter mine off the screen. And once the password is entered, just click on Next. And here you can come along with all Google Terms of Service and privacy policy, so if you tap on the link, you can come along with all the documents. You have to be aware about all the Terms of Service, and once you come along with it, click on I agree, obviously, if you do. And now just select the Google options that you would like to have, so you can switch them on and off. For example, let me switch off backup to Google Drive, and then click on Next. And now you can add fingerprint if you want to, but I will skip it for now, skip anyway. Then you can also add payment method, add another email account if you want to, but you can also set it all up later. So let me pick the last option, set up later. And that's it. As you can see from now, you can start using your device as a new one, as a normal one. You can change the wallpaper, you can make phone calls and all the others. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.